if you're feeling lonely. Feel love, baby, feel on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely.
Hello beautiful people, how are you doing? Greetings from sunny Tulum, Mexico. Literally guys, I have been wearing no makeup all holiday. I never even bother. You know, just let the skin breathe. But then there's been so many beach parties and so many events that I've been going to. So you know what? I have to make extra effort. So I use like things that I would normally take on holiday with me, like drugstore products mostly. The primer, it doesn't really matter what it is. But the foundation is everything. This is the Revlon ColorStay 24-hour foundation. I'm in the shade Mahogany, so it's like 440 I think. It's medium buildable coverage, so it just blends right into the skin. It makes it look like there's nothing going on your face. And this one has like yellow undertones. As you can see, I have somewhat of yellow undertones, so it kind of blends in really nicely without making me look too bright. I thought my undertones would be red, but it's not. By the way, they have 42 different shades, so you can find a shade to suit you. For normal to like dry skin, it gives you like a nice like flawless finish, and it's just nice and just kind of dewy, not fully matte. If you have combination to oily skin, it'll give you more of a matte finish. But I want to glow for the gods. I want to glow. So I use like 1 to 2 pumps and distribute that all over my face. It stays on all day. It doesn't move. Like I wore this look to a jungle party. Ooh, Shan. I wore this to a jungle party and literally it didn't move and I looked flawless all bloody night, guys. Then I'm using the Revlon Concealer. This is in the shade, I think it's a medium. The thing that I love about this is that it's really light. So like it's not even just in color, but I mean like as in the application, like it doesn't feel like I'm fully packing anything on, and it just brightens the under eyes, and like I just feel like it doesn't give off like a huge amount of color in terms of, it doesn't change the color of my face, so it's just a nice highlight. I don't know how to explain that, but if you can see on the video, you get what I'm trying to say. It gives like a nice highlight, so it kind of just brightens it up a little bit. You see, it just looks, oh yes. So anyways, I'm using the pressed powder. This is in medium deep, and I am just going underneath the eyes and just setting the concealer. Nothing too extra, guys. And then I use that little thing that it comes with and kind of like go like underneath the eyes, because my eyes crease a lot, guys, and I don't like it. So this is my new technique on how to stop all the creasing. It worked well. And then I'm probably gonna, you know, make my cheekbones look a little bit more defined. Just powders and all that. Then bronzer. I'm using Fenty. This is the one of the darkest ones. I don't remember the name, but you can use whatever bronzer that you want. But this one was just really good for me. I felt like it went really well with the Revlon powder and with the foundation. And as you can see, I haven't even like put on full-on powder on my face, and it's still there. The foundation is still there, and it's looking fresh. Oh, anyways, use that same thing to contour my nose, and as you can tell, guys, I literally just bronze and just even out the skin and hide any little blemishes with the foundation, because you can build it up. And then I just used a mascara. This is from Too Faced, and I just put it on the top lashes. I don't really think I put it on the bottom lashes. I don't put any mascara on the bottom lashes, just for the simple fact that it kind of makes it look a little bit heavy to me. This is the Revlon Skinlights Prismatic, what? I can't say that name, but all I know is that highlighter, and it's really good. I use this all the time on holiday, even if I'm not wearing makeup. This is in Gilded Down. I put this on my nose, and you can actually squeeze the nose. I got this trick from my friend Style by Abrahams. Kind of makes the nose a little bit more narrower with the highlight. I love it. The highlight is so beautiful, and look at it on the side of my face. Ooh, honey. Like everything's about being bronzed and being glowy. The foundation's still there. I'm doing this outside, guys. I am recording this in the blistering heat, and just to show you how amazing this foundation is, nothing has moved. My armpits are sweaty, but that's about it. Anyways, I'm using this highlighter on my collarbone and everything because I need to look really, really cool for that jungle party. I need to look like a jungle goddess, and this foundation and all these products is literally like my go-to for holidays. Revlon, 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 Revlon. Keep saying it, guys, Revlon. Anyways, we just set the face and literally make that dry, which will be in like 2 seconds. The super lustrous gloss in Choco Crush is everything because my lips went so dark on this holiday that this was the only lippy that just suited me. I just used a little bit of liner just to line my lips a little bit, but you know what, guys? The gloss was everything because my lips went dark. Anywho, my favorite thing to do is just put 2 little dots underneath my eyes. I don't know why I like doing it, but I just like doing it. You don't have to do it, but guys, look how amazing I look. So please do check out Revlon's ColorStay foundation, guys. I've been using it since I was about 16, 17. I'm now 27, so come on. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. And please go to Tulum, by the way, guys. It's the best thing ever. Big up yourselves. My G's.